Okay, so how to upgrade your Dell 7275 tablet, 2-in-1, however you want to call it, how to make it faster, how to upgrade your memory, and how to change your battery. That's all you can do basically. So I'm gonna show you how to open it, how to remove it, the screen, how you can upgrade memory like SSD from 64 or 128, how much you have to bigger one, how you're gonna replace battery once you need a different battery, and like this. So you need it to be switched off. Mine it is. Basically this you are not going to need. You can slide it. So for the video, so that I don't need to do it and you watch, there is a 4 screws down. There is 1, 2, 3, and 4th one is there. Okay, so you will need to unscrew these 4 screws, keep them somewhere safe so you don't lose them. Then you are going to need something like this thing for guitar, but if you don't have it, you can use anything plastic. Do not use metal because you can scratch the edges or you can break the screen. It needs to be plastic, some thin plastic. So the weakest point of this tablet, it's here. So there is the weakest point. You will need to go with that plastic and try to crack it over there. I'm going to try to do it with one hand, but then we'll see how it goes. You will slide gently on the sides, you will start hearing cracks. There is a lot of clips, so once you removed one side, I'll continue another one. Okay. Everything gently, so you don't break the clips. If you break the clips after, when you try to put it back, it's not going to work. It's gonna be loose. I'm sorry that it's taking a bit long, but I'm doing it with one hand. So there is a clip here. Clip it. Basically, you will go all around the edge. Okay, I'm gonna try use my right hand. It will be much easier. Alright. Okay, so I unclipped it from all sides. You can see the clips. Put it down nicely, and then slowly you wanna remove slowly, gently everything. There is still something here. There it is. Okay, so once you removed all of that, you will end up with this. This one does not have SSD because we are too upgraded. So if you need to upgrade SSD, it will be here. Let me bring one to show you how it looks. So it will look like this, and it would be here on this side. It will stay something like that. So if you're up to upgrade it, you just need to remove it, take it out, put another one, screw it. It has a screw here, so you need to screw that screw. Okay, so if there is a Wi-Fi issue, your Wi-Fi is not working, there is your Wi-Fi card. If you want to replace it, unscrew this screw, same like with SSD, remove it, place another one, screw it back. Then we go, this is your battery. So to remove it, you will have 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 screws. Remove those 5 screws, unplug the battery from here, take out battery, put another one, screw back everything. That's all. A RAM you cannot upgrade because it is soldered on motherboard, so you cannot touch this. It is as it is. Mine are all 8 gigs of RAM. So the RAM, how much there is, it is. So that's all. you can do if you need to change the screen, and if it's broken and you order another screen, you will need to disconnect it from, let me show you. I was trying to remove, but I cannot. Anyway, there is connections that are going for the screen. There is one, there is two. They go under the battery and they're ending up here. So if you want to remove the screen, you will need to remove the whole battery first. Then you unplug the screen connector. Obviously you tape all out. Put another screen, put it back, put back the battery and close it. How to close it? It's very easy. How you opened it? Just start with edges to crack. And I think we put it back already. It's all good. And once you put it back, don't forget to pull back those 4 screws. That would be all.